If you skip this ad, you can earn up to 57 cent. And if you watch this ads number 2, you can earn up to 62 cent and 0.32, 46 and 54 cent respectively. And I am going to telling about an unused trick by which you can earn up to $100 a day just by watching ads. This website is available all over the world, so you can earn from everywhere in this earth. You don't need to invest your much time and it's completely free. So step number 1 is jump over to this website. You can access it in your phone as well as your PC too. I am going to reveal the website name in a minute. Before we go forward, I would like to tell how does this website work. Now you can see this website is connected with big brand which show you daily ads and you can earn money. As well as you can earn money by referral to your friend. For this, I have a bullshit idea and you will get paid through PayPal as well as with the other wallet within a day. Now simply hit sign up now option and fulfill the simple details. And you have to remember your server member because it is needed when you try to log in your account. And simply tick the I am not a robot option and click on sign up option. Before that, you can read the term and condition of the website. Once you log in, it will show you this type of dashboard where $10 is given as your opening bonus. Now click on a complete option to earn money. When wait for a given countdown seconds and click on a skip button. Now you can see your balance has been credited on your account. Likewise, you can watch all the ads and earn money. But there is a problem. There is only 5 ads are available for 24 hours. So to earn more money, you can create multiple ID with your Gmail account. And if you don't have enough email account, you can visit temple.com to create email account. But you have to note down the email address with its passport. The name of this website is Cashvib. Link in the description. You can simply copy and paste it, and if you want new Gmail, simply click on change option. And if you successfully create 10 ID, then you can earn $2.49 in one ID. It means in 10 ID you can earn up to $25 just by watching ads. Just below the account info, you can see invites earning option. Simply click on it. You can see the referral link. If you successfully invite a friend, you will get $1 and your friend will get $10 as a sign up bonus. To share this link with large audience, simply open a Facebook app and search for a term related to online earning and click on a group option. And enable the public group option. All the available groups are free to join. Simply join it and visit and click on write something option and create and post. You can write as am I writing. At last, simply copy it and paste it to other group. Trust me, you will get daily 20 new user, which means $20 a day doing nothing and $25 for watching ads. When you earn up to $70, you can simply redeem to your PayPal account by simply clicking on withdraw option. There are other withdraw options available too. So guys, that's it for a day. Work hard and stay connected. Have a good day.